How to deactivate Facebook account. Ready for a break from Facebook? In this quick tutorial, I will walk you through the simple steps to deactivate your Facebook account. Whether it's for a temporary or a much needed detox, I have got you covered. Stay tuned and you will be well on your way to taking a break from the world of social media. Click on the app, make sure you are logged in and you are using the updated version. Now click on these three horizontal lines. Now click on this gear button. Now click anywhere from. Now click on personal details. Now click on account ownership and control. Now click on deactivation or deletion. Now select your account. Now here you have the option deactivate account or delete account. Deactivate account is already selected. Now click on continue. Now scroll down and click on continue. It is asking you to give the password. When you have given your password, your account will be deactivated until you logged in again. Make sure you do not logged in. If you will logged in again, then your deactivation will be finished. So that's it for now. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.